Hello friends, let's see another question, previous year gate question. During the subsurface investigation for design of foundations, a standard penetration was conducted at 4.5 meters below the ground surface. Okay, fine. The recorded number of blows, see here, okay, the depths are given in 7 centimeters. Number of blows are given. What they are given? Assuming water table is at the ground level, fine. The soil as fine sand and correction factor for overburden is 1. So already they have given correction for overburden is given as how much 1. So we have to consider what is the corrected value after multiplying the correction for water table. As it is for the fine sand, then only we have to do the correction. If it is other than that if it is a clay, no need to do the correction. Always remember, corrections also we have to do for the specific type of the soil. So please remember that also. So first let me tell you what is the standard penetration value we'll consider it. So number of blows required for the 300 mm. So here what they are given, if you multiply by 10, that means here it is a 75 mm. That means they have considered for number of blows for the 75 mm. Isn't it? If you add these two, how much you will get? 150. If you add these two, how much you will get? Again 150. If you add these two, that means again they will give you how much? 150. That means they have given you the number of blows for the first 450 mm penetration. So how many blows you have to consider? You have to consider the number of blows after neglecting the first 150 mm. So for the remaining 300 mm penetration, how many number of blows are required? 6 plus 6, 12. That means you have to add these values. 6 plus 6, 12, plus 8, 20, plus 7. So how many number of blows you have to consider? 27. Is there any correction for the overburden? No. So what will be the correction for the water table? That is nothing but a 15 plus half into corrected values minus 15. So how much you will get? 15 plus half, 27 minus 15. 27 minus 15 is how much? That will be around 12. 12 by 2, 6. 6 plus 15. So what will be the corrected value? That is nothing but a 21 is the correct option. Right? Thank you.